If you've ever wondered how search engines like Google find and index pages on your website, you're about to discover one of the key tools behind this process, the sitemap. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about sitemaps, from their purpose and benefits to creating your own and submitting it to search engines. We'll also guide you through identifying and fixing errors in your sitemap, ensuring your website content is effectively crawled and indexed. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of sitemaps and equip you with the knowledge to optimize your website's presence on search engines. Let's get started. First, let's understand what's a sitemap. A sitemap is a file where you provide information about the pages, videos, and other files on your site and the relationships between them. Search engines like Google read this file to more intelligently crawl your site. Sitemaps come in various formats, but the most common is XML. This file format is specifically designed for search engines, allowing them to find and index your content more efficiently. There's also HTML sitemaps, which are more user-focused, helping visitors navigate your website. Why are sitemaps crucial? They are particularly important for large websites with lots of content, new websites with a few external links, and websites that feature rich media content or are updated frequently. Essentially, a sitemap acts as a roadmap for search engines, guiding them to all your important pages. Creating a sitemap might sound technical, but it's quite straightforward. You can use various tools like the XML sitemap generator, or if you use a CMS like WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO can automatically create one for you. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of sitemaps in the world of WordPress. WordPress, as one of the most popular content management systems, makes creating and managing sitemaps relatively straightforward. But why is a sitemap important for your WordPress site? And how can you optimize it for the best results? Let's dive in. First, let's understand what a sitemap is in the context of WordPress. A sitemap is essentially a list or a map of all pages, posts, and other content on your WordPress site. It's formatted in a way that search engines like Google can easily understand and use to crawl and index your site more effectively. This is so important for SEO, as it ensures that search engines can find and rank your content. Creating a sitemap in WordPress is a breeze, especially with the help of SEO plugins. One of the most popular plugins for this task is Yoast SEO. Once installed and activated, Yoast SEO automatically generates an XML sitemap for your site. To access your sitemap, simply address /sitemap index.xml to end of your domain. For example, your website /sitemap_index.xml. Yoast SEO gives you control over what goes into your sitemap. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Yoast SEO plugin setting. Here, you can choose which post type or taxonomies like categories and tags to include or exclude from your sitemap. Remember, it's important to only include content that's valuable for user and search engines. For instance, you might want to exclude certain pages that don't add value to search engines, like login or privacy policy pages. If Yoast isn't your preferred choice, there are other great alternatives like all-in-one SEO pack, Google XML Sitemaps, and Rank Math. Each of these plugins offers similar functionalities but with different interfaces and additional features. Your choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. After creating your sitemap, the next step is to submit it to search engines. Google Search Console is a common tool for this. You simply need to add your website to Google Search Console, verify your ownership, and then submit your sitemap URL. This process helps search engines to crawl and index your site more efficiently. Let's talk about some best practices for sitemaps in WordPress. Updating your sitemap is crucial, especially if your site is frequently updated with new content. Fortunately, most sitemap plugins automatically update your sitemap as new content is added. However, it's always good to manually check your sitemap occasionally to ensure that it's reflecting your current site structure. Another best practice is to keep your site clean and concise. Avoid including pages that don't add value to search engines. Also, ensure your sitemap is free of errors, such as broken links or links to pages that are blocked by your robots.txt. Sometimes, you might encounter issues with your sitemap. Common problems include sitemaps not updating, error showing in Google Search Console, or sitemap including unwanted URLs. For sitemaps that aren't updating, check if your sitemap plugin is active and properly configured. If you see errors in Google Search Console, They usually provide specific details about the issue, which can guide you in troubleshooting. If your sitemap includes URLs that you don't want to be indexed, go back to your sitemap setting in your WordPress dashboard and adjust the setting to exclude those URLs. It's also important to check your website's health through the Site Health feature in WordPress, which can alert you to issues that may affect your sitemap and overall site performance. In conclusion, sitemaps are an essential component of your WordPress site SEO strategy. They help search engines understand and index your site more effectively, which is crucial for your site's visibility in search results. With the right tools and practices, creating and maintaining an optimized sitemap in WordPress is a straightforward process that can yield significant benefits for your site's search engine performance. Remember, while sitemaps are important, they are just one part of SEO strategy. Always ensure your website is also optimized in other areas like content quality, website speed, and mobile friendliness. With these elements in place, your sitemap serves as a powerful tool to support your site's online success. Once your sitemap is ready, it's time to submit it to search engines. Google Search Console is a popular choice for this. Simply add your website to console. Go to Sitemaps under the Index section and submit the URL of your sitemap. It's crucial to ensure your sitemap is error-free before submission. A clean, well-structured sitemap can significantly improve your site indexing. Also, update your sitemap regularly, especially when you add new content. Even with careful planning, sitemaps can encounter errors. Common issues include URLs leading to 404 pages, non-canonical URLs, or URLs blocked by robots.txt. To check for errors, use tools like Google Search Console. After submitting your sitemap, the console provides reports that highlight any issue encountered while processing your sitemap. Let's tackle these errors one by one. For 404 errors, ensure the URL in your sitemap are correct and leading to live pages. For non-canonical links, make sure that your sitemap only includes canonical version of your URLs. And for URLs blocked by robots.txt, adjust your robots.txt file to unblock necessary pages. Maintaining a healthy sitemap is an ongoing process. Monitor your sitemap for errors and keep it updated with your latest content. Remember, a well-maintained sitemap can significantly boost your SEO efforts. In summary, sitemaps are a vital component of SEO. They guide search engines through your website, ensuring that all your important content is found and indexed. Creating and submitting sitemaps is a simple yet crucial step in optimizing your website for search engines. We hope this guide has illuminated the importance of sitemaps and equipped you with the tools to create, submit, and maintain an effective sitemap. If you have any questions, or if there is another SEO topic that you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful SEO guides. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.